Elders, I believe I know why you are here.
Your Highness, Ichie Okon here brought a complaint that you had a carnal knowledge of his daughter, Kimjika, and your seed is growing inside of her. We the elders have come to find out whether that is the truth, Your Highness.
The issue here is that I am not going to bother myself about what you said, what is the truth, or what the truth is not. The only thing I am going to tell you men in council is that I am not prepared to say anything about that seed that is growing inside of her.
Your Majesty, may we know why?
Ishe Udensi, I do not owe you any explanation. But just because of the respect I have for you men in council, I am going to explain this. Kimjika and the Queen played a game. And the result of that game is the seed that is growing on the inside of her. They have to be allowed to bear the burden of their action. I am not going to discuss this ever again with anybody. And let this be the very last time anybody will bring this topic before me. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Highness.
Why did you tell your father? Now see what he's doing.
My queen is my father. He has every right to know about it.
I know, but I thought we agreed this would be a secret between us and His Highness.
My Quincy, I am so sorry about this. But if you think I will let you raise my child, you must be insane. Yes! Listen to me. I want to be the king's wife. And if you want to be part of this child's life, you better make that happen. Excuse me.
Have you seen it? Have you seen what your carelessness has brought to me? Shame and disgrace. Now the men in council talk to me without any respect. Why? Because I told you what to do and you decided to act without thinking. You Adodise, the one I love with everything in me, you actually took me for a fool because I refused to take another wife when you instructed. No problem. Based on what has happened, I am going to pay her bride price and she will start living in this palace as a wife.
No,
do not say anything. Do not. You started all this. And you are going to bear the consequences of whatever thing that happens My elders and council, I know you will be wondering why I have made Kimjika part of this meeting. I made her part of this meeting because I have made a decision. And that decision is that I am proceeding to pay her bride price. Nobody should ask me when I will pay that bride price. I vow on my honor to pay her bride price, but I am going to do that at my convenient time.
Congratulations.
Your Majesty, we can now say congratulations.
Thank you.
I told you to always attend to me first, every single day. Huh? You can't speak.
Sorry, my queen.
You're saying sorry, idiot. Now, get up. Get up and get your dirty self out of my presence.
Stay right here. Kimjika, how dare you? How dare you slap a maiden attending to me? Have you lost it?
Adolisa, I am going to do more. Now, stand up. Stand up and get out!
Please, my queen. My queen. I beg in the name of the gods. Let me go. Please.
Stand up and get out! I said stand up and get out of here now! I'll get back to you. Now listen. You should know that you no longer have a tail to wag in this palace. Huh? You're nothing but a barren stranger. Know your place. Adolisa, know your place! Yes, your man! Yes, your man!
Do you want to kill her?
Wait. Huh? Adolisa, did you just touch me with those coarse ends?
Now you, get inside the hut. Both of you, go call the healer to attend to her now! Immediately! I said go to your hut.
How dare you? Huh? How dare you touch me with those coarse ends? Are you stupid? Wait. Now listen, Adolisa. You should know your place in this palace. You're nothing but an old barren witch. That's what you are.
Did you slap me?
Yes, I did. And I will do it over and over and over again. Rubbish. You, what are you doing here? Get out! Get out! Idiot!
Honestly, Adolisa, I cannot explain why you will bring this to me. Kimjika slapped you. Is that not what you always wanted? She is now a wife and she has equal rights with you. That is what you want. You are not one who has fetched ant-infested firewood. Automatically, you have invited lizard to a feast. So you should enjoy the feast.
So I am now the curse. I am now the curse because I want the best for you and your posterity.
Adolisa, you are my best. You know it that you are my best, and I was very okay with just you. Under normal circumstances, I should not do anything because of this. But because of who you are to me, and who I vow that you will always be, I will handle this.
Will you get out of my sight, you disgusting peasant? I said go! Now! I said get out! Idiot! Disgusting thing.
Can you tell me what is going on? Adolisa has been slapped in this palace where I rule as king. And you are the one who slapped her. Why did you slap her?
My king, you're shouting.
What?
My king, you're shouting at me and I do not like it. I mean, this is really unhealthy for my child and I.
What
I
side?
am pregnant, for crying out loud.
No, what side? No, are you actually thinking I am going to tolerate your very indecent attitude because of that side? I did not want that side before. And I do not even want that side now. Now listen to me, Adolisa is the one who is my wife. And she is the one who is going to remain in my heart all the remaining days of my life. Get that into your thick skull.
Make sure you take the medicine Okoro gave to you. I pray the gods grant you quick recovery.
Thank you, my queen.
Take care of her.
Yes, my queen.
She has a good heart.
Yes, she does. That's why it hurts me so much that the gods has refused to grace her with a child. Yet they choose to give that heartless in Kimjika.
Mind your words. I'm not here. Oh. I'm not. In fact, I didn't even hear a thing. We have to be mindful of what we say. Look at what she did to her friend, Queen Adolisa. I'm sure you don't want the same thing.
Please. That lady is wicked.
Your Highness.
Let go of my hand, Your Highness, and let me wallow in my sorrow of which the gods have inflicted me with.
I just came to tell you that I am sorry. I pondered over the things I said, even as I have already acted, but it has dawned on me that the things I said were not well crafted. I should not have said all those kind of things to you.
You do not have to be sorry. You are the king, and you have the right to behave the way you want.
I hate to see you sad. I hate to see you feel this way. I have confronted Kimjika and I've told her her place in this palace. I made it clear to her that she has no place in my heart. The heart belongs to you, and so shall it be all the remaining days of my life.
What is it?
Where is that useless brother of yours that cannot control that little stick under his tails?
Woman, if I were you, I would wash my words wisely.
Never. Look at you, you frustrated maiden that steal your way to become a queen.
You dare insult me? very soon I am going to rain the venom of my wrath on your household.
You dare not do such thing. Who are you? Who do you think you are? You stolen queen. Look at you. We all know you. You are so frustrated that you don't know what to do to yourself rather than to turn yourself to a useless queen. Queen my foot! Never. Look at you. You frustrated maiden that steal your way to become a queen. Who are you? Who do you think you are? You stolen queen. Look at you. We all know you. You are so frustrated that you don't know what to do to yourself rather than to turn yourself to a useless queen.
Helubelelube. Emedi anya odi mma. Obom di biansi afa. Na ekura na manu. Kedi fa ga ma badi we so ya ni. Alele. Daughter of Okonu. You cannot have him. He belongs to her. And she belongs to him. Their love was joined in the 4 rivers of the gods. Why do you want to separate that which the gods have chosen to rejoice with?
Great one, the king belongs to me. Yes, I loved him first. I gave the king my heart. Great one, it doesn't belong to Adolisa. She stole everything away from me.
Say what you want. Tell me what you want me to do for you. As for the king, you cannot have him.
Then I want you to put him under my control. I do not want to be the vulture that cannot eat what it kills, nor the lizard that gnaws at the house. But I want to rule Oboya kingdom. Yes.
That I can do for you. But I will need something that belongs to the king and a piece of your hair.
Yeah, here is a piece of the king's garment.
Come. Bury this anywhere he can march on it, and your wish will be granted.
Thank you, great one. Great one, how do I repay you?
When you become the ruler of the kingdom, make me the custodian of the land.
Kimjika, we look at the wire. I don't want you, we look at the wire. Not to know what he go. No, I boo wire.
Who's there? Hey.
Azuka, I was just going to see the king. Huh? Everything is fine. You can go back to your business.
You can be wiser than the girls. Yeah, bole delulu. Yeah, you buku melobanyo. I don't want to worry, but never. I don't want ya joko. Oh yeah, hello. I'm on I don't know why it comes weekend. Osingi tena kosi move wako. Ive melo. Iyo koko. Asa melo. Ive neme. Ya bole delunu. Ya ibuku melo banyo.
Azuka!
Your Majesty.
Who are you and how did you get into my palace? I'm asking you, offspring of a mischief maker. Who are you and why are you standing before me?
Your Highness, are you all right?
You are asking me? Who are you?
I am your wife. Adolisa, your wife. The queen.
I forbid you from speaking that cursed word before me. Say that one more time and I'm going to get you beheaded.
Agunwa.
What?
I am Adolisa, your wife.
Guards! Guards! Yes, Your Highness. Grab this strange woman that is standing before me and throw her into the palace cell.
What? Your Highness.
Do it now!
Your Highness, it's Adolisa. I am your wife. Wait! Your Highness! Leave me alone! Your Highness!
Where have you been, my love?
Where is she? Where is Adolisa? Where is that butterfly that calls herself a bird? Huh? Where is she?
Locked up in the palace cell.
Very good. Now, take me to her.
What did you do to my husband?
What did you do to my husband? What were you expecting? Huh? You were so stupid enough to convince me into sleeping with your husband. And then, you had the audacity, huh? To call me a butterfly, parading herself as a bird. Huh? But thanks to the gods, because the gods has placed him under my control.
My queen, should I go ahead and order her execution for referring to me as her husband?
No, my king. Don't. Now listen. You're going to be my personal servant. Yes. You're going to serve me just the way I served you all these years.
As it pleases my queen.
Thank you, my king.
The gods and the earth will rise up and fight you. Kimjika, you and your generation will be object of ridicule as you have ridiculed the gods. The earth will reject you and the waters will bring you so much pains. How dare you shut up!
How dare you speak to me in that tone? Because of what you just said, you shall rot in this place forever!
Queen, why are you looking so angry? What did she say? She said something?
It's okay. God! Listen to me. No food, no water until I say otherwise. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
My love, let's go.
Oh, we are leaving.
Stop crying, my queen. I know it may seem as though the ghost has left you, but you need to be strong and survive so you can take back what is truly yours.
Survive? How can I survive? Tell me, how can I survive when the gods have taken everything away from me and made me an object of ridicule?
I know. It seems so. But if an earthworm without legs can survive in the rainy season, then you will surely survive.
Take them up. You're going to remain here till nightfall.
What is...
If you stand up, go down. I said go down. If you stand up, I'm going to behead you. Please. Do not move. Don't dare me. Where do you think you're going?
Are you also going to deny me access into the palace?
Now listen, Ezemo, whatsoever you call yourself, you are no longer welcomed in the palace. So I advise you go back to your shrine. Leave my palace now!
Your palace?
Yes!
The ear that refuses to listen, when the head is being cut off, it follows.
Ezemo, you are daring me. Leave my palace now! I said go! Or maybe you want me to ask my guard to throw you out!
Your Highness, let me see the king. I beg you in whatever you hold sacred.
Please allow me see him. Your Highness, I'm talking to you. Please get out of my sight. What is wrong with you? I said get out. Get out! You want to see the king? My love, I know you can hear me. Can you please comport yourself? Comport yourself, for this land is about to be ruined. You promised to protect me forever. Now look at me. My love, my strength. Please, come to my rescue. Please, please. Father, what are you doing here?
My daughter, I came to discuss a very important issue with you. This decision you have made to become the supreme leader of this great kingdom. This has never happened in this kingdom before. Tell me, my daughter, what happened? If the king is dead, please release your fall to the Ezemo. Let the gods appoint another man who will take over the responsibility of this great kingdom.
Father, you know you just insulted me. But I'm going to forgive you because you're my father. Have you forgotten you once told me that one day everyone is going to fall under my feet?
I remember I said so. That is when you might have given an heir to the king who will take over from him. Not taking it by force. Now tell me, how do you want people to look at me? A good or a bad father?
Honestly, Father, I am so disappointed at you. Yes! I was expecting you to be proud of me. But here you are, spilling rubbish.
My daughter, this is not something to be...
Silence! How dare you speak to me in that tone? Now leave. I said leave! Get!
Do not allow your pride to destroy you in this kingdom.
Get! Take this dirty old man out of my sight now!
Yes, my queen. Move, sir. Move.
You're very lucky you're my father.
Isioma, the daughter of Nzobe, from the lineage of slaves, I greet you and your chief.
I greet you too, great one. What does the gods want from me?
This land is seriously in need of help, and you are the one in position to help this land.
What does the gods require of me?
Why did you drag me here?
Your Highness, I met with Ezemo, the High Priest, and he have a message for you.
What did he say?
He said the kingdom and His Highness is on the brink of destruction, and only you can save them all.
What does he want me to do?
He wants you to meet with him at the shrine. He has a message for you.
Isioma, you know very well that I cannot leave this palace. The guards will not let me go.
Don't worry about that. I've taken care of it. You can go now.
You've taken care of it?
Yeah, go.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I came as soon as I was told.
My queen, this kingdom and the man you love is about to be destroyed, all because of my carelessness. I should have waited on the gods for their direction, but no, I acted on my own wisdom, thereby pushing you to seek help from Kimjika. Please, I'm sorry, forgive me.
I've forgiven you, but please, tell me what I need to do to save King Agonwa.
Have you heard of the sacred water of sanctity?
Yes, but what does it have to do with this?
It is the genesis of the problems in the royal household. In this kingdom, the sacred water of sanctity is the secret of fruitfulness and protection given to the royal household by the gods. Once the calabash is in the palace, the king is guaranteed a son. And most importantly, no charm is permitted to have effect on the king or his family. But years ago, that sacred water of sanctity was spilled by the late king, King Mbakwe.
Why would the late king do such a thing?
Vengeance. Years ago, there was a beautiful maiden by the name Akuchi. Akuchi happens to be the betrothed to Igwe Agonwa. They were so much in love. But due to her arrogance and constant disrespectful characterization, the prince was forced to look elsewhere. And that was how the gods brought your path together. And your love grew into something beautiful. The king, King Mbakwe, being a man of his word, refused the prince from getting married to you. And the prince, being as stubborn as his own father, insisted on getting married to you. And that singular act got the king very angry, and he vowed to push him beyond the limit of making him childless, thereby portraying you as barren, so that the prince can pick another bride instead of you. On a fateful day, the late king came out with a calabash containing the sacred water of sanctity, and he summoned the 4 gods of this land and made spiritual declarations and rejections in the spirit realm. After which, the sacred water of sanctity was spilled. By spilling the sacred water of sanctity, that disconnected the ties between the gods and the royal household. And he got killed instantly. Now in Kimjika, in a quest to get the king, King Agonwa, she has gone to see Akbo of Ajofia, who gave her powers to control all that she deserves. It will only take the power of the sacred water of sanctity to destroy the powers of Akbo and restore back peace to this land.
Where do I find the water?
It can only be conjured at the river of the 4 gods, in the depths of the forest of the 4 gods.
Forest of the 4 gods?
Yes. And only a maiden with the purest of heart of the gods can seek the sacred water of sanctity and still lives. And my queen, That maiden is you. You have been certified by the gods to be pure and unblemished. You hold no grudges against anybody. You love liberally, even when you're wrong. Please, you have to save this land and the man you love from perishing. If not, I see death. I see bloodshed. I see barriers everywhere. This land will soon become a stream of blood if nothing is done fast. My queen. My queen, you have 3 nights. Just 3 nights to get to the river of the 4 gods before it becomes too late. My queen, destruction will befall this land. Destruction will befall this land. You will be prepared for the journey ahead.
Your Highness, I've searched the palace and I cannot find Adolisa. I'm very convinced that she's not in this palace.
As long as Adolisa does not come near the palace, she can leave. But the day she sets her feet into this palace, I am going to bury her alive myself. You may go.
Yes, Your Highness.
Kimjika, we look at the wire. I don't want you, we look at the wire. Not to know what he go. No, I boo wire. When you're baranka, all this in with the belly or video. Makaneti, the Palunga as well. If you mean a tata, let's check it out. You can be wiser than the gods. Yeah, bole delulu. Yeah, you buku melobanyo. I don't want to worry, but never. I don't want ya joko. Hello, Japanuza. I'm on why in Aganilo. I don't know why it comes with it.
You should have loved me. You should have loved me back just the way I loved you. But no, what did you do? You chose to love another. And now, look at you. You've insulted me and had the audacity to insult my father, calling my family names. But wait, where is your precious and special queen? Where's Adolisa? My king, she ran away. Yes, she ran away to save herself, leaving you here to rot and to die. Yes, that's what she did. You know, I really wanted to love you, my king. I wanted to love you in the best way that I could. But no, you never wanted that. And for what you did to me, you're going to remain my toy forever and ever. That's what you get for hurting me. I'm not going to waste my time on you. I have better things to do. Rubbish.
ife na-eme a na-ekwu ọzọ na-eme dibịa gwara ọzọ mana ọzọ kwuru dibịa nke Njika welugara nwayọ aja nwanyị welugara nwayọ na-atụ n'ụwa n'ike n'ụwa bụ nwayọ nwayọ onye gbara nkụ ahụ dịsi ngwere bịara ihe oriri o maka na echi dị ime kwalụ nwa n'azụ oyi ife ime na tata na-eche gịkwa o. You can be wiser than the gods. Yeah, bole delunu. Yeah, yifuku melobanyo. Aja mwasi owele benne yabo. Aja mwani ajoka. Halo, chakwanuza. Amwanyi na ganilo. Anolo mwanyi kanzu ike. Osingite na kosi muvuboku ife melo iyo koko asa melo ife neme ya bole delunu ya yifuku melo banyo aja mwasi owele benne yabo aja mwani ajoka ya bole delunu ya yifuku melo banyo aja mwasi owele benne yabo aja mwani ajoka halo chakwanuza amwanyi na ganilo
You have come for the sacred water of sanctity.
Yes, wise one. Greetings. Please, I need it. Else the people of Obohia Kingdom will be doomed forever.
You love the king, yet you do not want him to marry another maiden that will bear him a child.
I believe the spirit sees and knows all things. I did not come here to save myself, but to heal the king and save my land. Please, wise one, grant me this one desire of mine and give me the water of sanctity to heal the land and save the king.
Your heart is pure. Take it and heal the land.
Kimjika, we look at the wire. I don't want you, we look at the wire. Not to know what you go. No, abu wire. When you're baranka, all this in with the valley or video. Makaneti, Dime, Palumana Zoo. If you mean a tata, nature give. You can be wiser than the gods. Yeah, bole delulu. Yeah, you buku melobanyo. I don't want to worry, but never. I don't want ya joko. Hello, one who's up. I'm on in a ganilo. I don't know why you can't wake up. Osingite na kosi muvuboku ive melo iyo koko azamelo ive neme ya bole delunu ya yibuku melo banyo
As your queen and ruler, I have decided to remove the Ezemo as the spiritual custodian of this land. I replace him with the Ako of Ajofia. If I hear any murmuring, I am going to behead all of you. Have I made myself clear?
You do no such thing. I am chosen by the gods and not you. And besides, you are no queen, nor ruler. The gods!
Your gods! And not mine. God! Take this fool and behead him.
That
now!
Will never happen.
The queen is back! The purest of us! The one bestowed by the gods to restore back peace to this kingdom. You're welcome back, my queen.
Silence! And you, what are you doing here?
You that stupid! I'm sorry. Please don't confess.
See, I'm going to give you 100 calories if you tell the queen that I am with a child.
May the gods forbid. Why would I tell the queen such a lie?
Bring your voice down while shouting. 100 calories, that's a lot. All you need to do is tell the queen that I am with a child. That's it. Eh? Do it. 100 calories. Do it.
You promised to give me the 100 calories last market day.
So why is it taking too long?
Relax, I have your money.
Please.
Calm down.
Give me the
Calm
money.
down, I have your money.
I'm sorry, make way, please. I'm sorry. I was never pregnant for the king. I lied. Ah! Ah!
Kimjika!
My own Adolisa, why do you look this way? What happened to you?
The king is back to sanity.
Maidens!
Your Highness.
What happened? Why is the queen looking this way?
It's a long story, Your Highness. Yes.
Can you take her in? Take her in and make her look like a queen.
Yes, Your Highness.
Do just that.
The king is back to sanity! Hey, there's a council. Can somebody start talking to me? What happened?
My king, it is a long story.
May the gods be praised!
I am interested in that long story. Elders and council, I have called us to address us before the Ezemo on some of the fundamental changes I have made to our tradition. You all will agree with me that the tradition we have is man-made. And when it could be proven that the tradition is standing in the way of men, men should be able to gather and change it. You all know how this kingdom was almost brought to her knees because of this tradition. It is on that note that I, Ezagunwa, the offspring of kings, who is today the king of this land, sit on this throne to decree that the tradition that provides that a sitting king has a time frame within which he must provide an heir to the throne or forget about the throne. That tradition is hereby banished. From today going forward, a sitting king with heir or without heir shall rule until the end of time. And when he joins his ancestors, the throne will not depart from the lineage of kings, but instead, the oldest man in the lineage of kings will take over from that king. This is the new law, and this is the word of the king.
Elders of this great kingdom, there is no need murmuring, for the words of the king are the exact words of the gods. We must abide by it.
If there is anyone who has anything to say, Let that person say it now. As there is nobody who is saying anything, the word of the king is now law, and it is the verdict of the land. Chiomo, I know you. To what do I owe this summon?
King Agunwa, offspring of Mbakwe, grandson of Ekejuba, offspring of Amefuna. Take.
Take what?
A gift from Chomumu.
A dream. This is a very, very nice dream. Adolisa, my beautiful wife. She has to hear this.
Even a and it was a name. Dibia was up and I was up with Dibia. Kimjika, we look at the wire. I don't want you, we look at the wire. Not to know what he go. No, abu wire. When you're baranka, this in with the valley or the Makaneti, Dime, Palumana Zoe. If you mean a tata, let's check you. You can be wiser than the gods. Yeah, Boledelunu. Yeah, you could melobanyo. I don't want to worry, but never. I don't want ya joko. Hello. Jakwanuza. I'm on in a ganilo. I don't know why it comes wake. Sing it then cause him move walk. Even melo. You go. Azamelo. Even name. Yeah, Boledelunu. Yeah, you could melobanyo. I don't want to worry, but never. I don't want ya joko. Yeah, Boledelunu. Yeah, you could melobanyo. I don't want to worry, but never. I don't want ya joko. Hello. Jakwanuza.